In this study, we report that clinical-grade germline whole exome sequencing can be a screening test for detection of pathogenic or likely pathogenic genetic variants. For patients who carry such genetic variants, this information can be life-changing. Such a finding has also a ripple effect on members of their biological family. In addition, the Tapestry study has been Mayo Clinic's largest decentralized trial to date, meaning it was conducted remotely through electronic contact, education, and consent, with sample collection materials delivered to the participants' home. My name is Konstantinos Lazaridis, and I serve as the Executive Director for Mayo Clinic Center for Individualized Medicine. This article is about the Mayo Clinic Tapestry study, a large-scale, decentralized whole exome sequencing study for clinical practice, research discovery, and genomic education that will appear in the December 2024 issue of Mayo Clinic Proceedings. This study has invited close to 1.3 million adult Mayo Clinic patients and enrolled more than 100,000 participants across the enterprise who underwent germline whole exome sequencing using saliva as the source of DNA. The study focused on pathogenic and likely pathogenic genetic variants linked to three specific conditions: hereditary breast and ovarian cancer syndrome, Lynch syndrome, a rare form of colon cancer, and familial hypercholesterolemia. Specifically, the genetic exploration focused on hereditary conditions such as BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes. According to Centers for Disease Control, women with these pathogenic genetic variants have a higher risk of developing breast and ovarian cancer, while men with BRCA1 and BRCA2 mutations face an increased risk of breast cancer and potentially elevated risk for prostate cancer. The study also examined Lynch syndrome, which raises the risk of colorectal and uterine cancers, and familial hypercholesterolemia, known to its impact on early onset heart disease, heart attacks, and stroke. Our findings revealed that about 2% of participants, or nearly 2,000 people, carried at least one genetic variant that was pathogenic, which could increase the risk for those conditions. Notably, about 65% with a detected variant had no known prior or family history of those conditions. As this study continues to inform and transform the practice of personalized medicine, it also sets a new standard for how large-scale medical research can be performed and impact clinical practice in an increasing digital and decentralized world. For example, patients who had positive pathogenic or likely pathogenic genetic variants are those now reported in the electronic health records, and this information will impact their care in the years to come. What does this finding mean for patients? For many participants of the study who found to have a pathogenic or likely pathogenic genetic variant, this information has been life-changing. Some have taken proactive steps, such as undergoing early screening or preventive surgery, which in some cases led to early discovery of cancer or reduce the risk for heart disease. In addition to targeting these well-known conditions I just mentioned previously, experts of the Center for Individualized Medicine have used and will continue to apply advanced analytics on the Tapestry exome sequencing data in collaboration with investigators across the Mayo Clinic enterprise to explore for discovery of lesser-known genetic variants that likely contribute to a range of other health issues and diseases. Thank you for your attention, and I would like to invite you to read the full article for more details.
We hope that you found this presentation from the content of our website valuable. Our journal's mission is to promote the best interests of patients by advancing the knowledge and professionalism of the physician community. If you are interested in more information about us, our homepage is www.mayoclinicproceedings.org. There you'll find access to information for our social media content, such as additional videos on our YouTube channel, www.youtube.com Mayo Proceedings, or journal updates on Facebook, www.facebook.com Mayo Clinic Proceedings. You can also follow us on X, formerly known as Twitter, available at Mayo Proceedings. More information about healthcare at Mayo Clinic is available at www.mayoclinic.org. This content is copyrighted by Mayo Foundation for Medical Education and Research, published by Elsevier Incorporated. All rights are reserved, including those for text and data mining, AI training, and similar technologies.